got blood specks coming, droppers from somewhere on you.
No, it's just one.
Oh, okay.
I just did a shot.
Oh, okay. No, not on you, but I see it dripping. So is this how you stay warm? Down here?
Well, I normally stay warm via the L,
Right.
things of that nature. But right now, I can't. Listen, I have everything imagined, and I can't get
You know what that is. You gotta go to the hospital.
it. Look,
And the hospital right around the corner.
see this? I got corduroys on. I got
That's you.
look, nice jumper. I
Yeah.
got a hoodie. I got a winter coat.
I see. Stu.
I have a
Can the goose. Oh shoot. That's the heat in the vest. That work good?
a Scully. Shit don't mean nothing. I be freezing always.
That's because you need to go to the hospital. And the hospital right around the corner.
Well,
Penn.
what I don't like is last time I went to the hospital
Yeah.
and I was in there for a few days.
Yeah.
I had nothing to compare it to how they were treating me. I thought they were cool.
Thought what?
I thought they were being cool, right?
Yeah.
Then I got a roommate, and I saw a drastic difference.
Right.
Because he was in there for.
But
He was a non-addict.
right. Get the services you need though.
No, I know. I'm not saying
Talking
it's-
about the way they was
I'm not saying
treating
it's a
you.
deterrent, but
Right.
all I'm trying to say is it was apparent that they were so friendly and
Right.
talkative to him, and really had minimal amount of words for me. And I kept telling them, close the door, and they kept leaving the door open. Like, so, you trying to get rested, people. Nurses are constantly walking by, they're talking out there, janitors, and they didn't care. The food was pretty good, but you don't really have an appetite. And they try to give me some new thing called, what's it called? Microdosing.
Who?
Microdosing
Yeah. Oh yeah.
with the subs.
For your okay.
Yeah,
Does it help
I didn't do it. I was afraid it would be a withdrawal.
withdrawal?
Because this happened before, where I was somewhere.
You gotta speak up. Ain't nobody gonna be able to hear you. You whispering.
Where I was somewhere on Allegheny.
Yeah.
I forget what it's called. Near Aramingo in Allegheny.
Okay.
And I was in induced withdrawal for 3 days. I didn't know it.
Right.
And they damn sure didn't know it, and they're professional. And I left the third day, and somebody knew it instantly. Said, bro, you're in induced withdrawal. How is it hot outside in the summer?
Yeah.
It's freezing. You know what I mean?
What they had Narcan you or from the Suboxone?
From the subs. They gave it to me too early.
Mm.
And here's the deal, though. I didn't take it till 3 days in.
And they still put you in?
Yup, because this fentanyl has a longer shelf life.
Right. They was talking about the
They're-
life lasts.
They're still
longer.
treating people with how you treat heroin addicts. So they're behind.
Well, they doing a study now for you heard about it?
No,
They doing a study for the fentanyl now too. But you know they gotta get something for that trank too. You know, and it's not just the trank, it's the all them psych meds that they cutting it with.
Yeah.
You know?
Or Xylazine.
Right.
Give me. That's horse tranquil.
And it broke you out a lot too?
Well,
Besides your
in
leg?
that general vicinity. No, just there. You know why? Infection looks for weakness. And I was carjacked.
Carjacked? What you-
Carjacked from my car.
What?
But I guess you would say motor scooter jacked.
Okay.
They got me for that. And it was, I was moving and they pushed me off the side. Two Puerto Rican dudes and the bike fell on top of me.
Right.
And I slid. Well, guess what? The side of your foot does not have a wheel. And I'm sliding.
I'm gonna cut this video. We still